Hey there! Today we're tackling a common problem that many Windows 10 users face when trying to add Emacs to their context menu. The issue arises when attempting to open files in Emacs Client, which requires specific options that the standard Open with feature doesn't cover. This can be quite frustrating, as the usual registry tweaks don't seem to do the trick. Now, let's delve into the solution. The key here is to target files instead of directories in the Windows registry. By using the extension or the wildcard asterisk, you can match any file extension and ensure that Emacs Client opens with the necessary options. Don't forget to include %v in your command to specify the file you're clicking on. It's worth noting that %1 might also work as a parameter, and %v serves a similar purpose. In summary, we've discussed a clever workaround for adding Emacs to your context menu in Windows 10. By tweaking the registry settings for file extensions, you can ensure that Emacs Client launches with the desired options. With these adjustments, you'll have seamless access to opening files in Emacs with just a right click. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts or any other tech dilemmas you'd like us to explore. Stay tech savvy and have a fantastic day.